Hello students, we discussed in the last video about topic sentence and the noun. Today we will discuss about our next topic pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun are the words which we use in the place of noun to avoid repetition. I, we, you, he, she, it, all are pronouns. For example, Ram is a good boy. Ram is 12 years old. Ram goes to school daily. Ram's brother also goes to school daily. To avoid this repetition of noun Ram, we use he. Ram is a good boy. He is 12 years old. He goes to school daily. His brother also goes to school daily. Then to avoid the repetition of Ram, we use he or his instead of Ram. Ram is a good boy. He is 12 years old. Beta, he. It is pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, all are pronouns. Then kinds of pronouns. How many kinds of pronouns? There are 8 kinds of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns refer to a specific person or thing. Clear? Things in particular, namely I, we, you, all are personal pronouns. Pronouns assume different forms while performing different functions in the subject. There are 3 cases of personal pronoun. First is subjective, second is objective, and third is possessive. Beta, subjective, we can say subjective or nominative case. Subjective case also called nominative case. Subjective or nominative case, when a form of personal pronoun acts as the subject, यानी personal pronoun जब subject की तरह काम करता है वो हमारा subjective case होता है. For example, I, we, ये हमारे subjective case में आएंगे. या हम कहें I am a student of class 8. In this sentence I, it is subjective case. Then second is possessive. When pronoun is used to show possession, that is possessive case. For example, mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs, its, all are possessive case. For example, the teacher will mark you absent. टीचर ने आपको absent शो कर दिया और मार्क कर दिया. In this sentence, you is possessive. Clear? Then next is objective case. What is objective case? When pronouns acts as the object, that is objective case. For example, me, us, you, him, her, it, them, all are objective case. Clear beta? Our second pronoun is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are WH words to ask questions. Interrogative pronoun which are used to ask questions. Who, what, why, where do you live, who saved the drowning child. In this sentence, who, that is interrogative pronoun. When the WH word used before a noun, WH word is used before a noun, it is interrogative adjective, and when it is used in place of a noun, it is interrogative pronoun. Clear? Then third is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is used to link one phrase or clause to another phrase or clause, or we can say if any of the WH family words who, which, whose or that is used in the middle of a sentence to refer an already mentioned noun, it is called a relative pronoun. Then third is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. It refers to the speaker, or it refers to the speaker, a demonstrative pronoun. For example, this is my book, this is my chalk, that is your book. In these sentences, this, that, demonstrative pronoun. That is my friend, demonstrative pronoun. Word that is demonstrative pronoun. These are her shoes, these word is demonstrative pronoun. Those are his books, those demonstrative pronoun. Next is distributive pronoun. The words which treat a noun word in one at a time manner called distributive pronoun. Each of the flood victims was given a lakh as relief. Each word is distributive pronoun, or we can say everyone got a chance to sing a song. Everyone, that is distributive pronoun. Next is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun, our sixth pronoun. The word pairs which convey the sense of reciprocation is called reciprocal pronoun. We should all help one another in times of need. यानी कि जरूरत के समय हमें एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. One another, that pair is called reciprocal pronoun. Or the two naughty boys threw pebbles at each other, that is reciprocal pronoun. Next, number 7 is reflexive pronoun. When pronouns like herself, himself, ourselves, yourselves, etc. are used as the receiver of an action, that is reflexive pronoun. Or reflexive pronoun are those pronouns in which the actions are done by the subject reflect upon it, or are reflexive pronoun. For example, they do their work themselves. वो अपना काम जो है उनके द्वारा किया जाता है. जो भी themselves word is reflexive pronoun. When I have trained them myself, myself is reflexive pronoun. Next is reflexive pronoun में बेटा एक emphatic pronoun होता है. जब हमारा verb के बाद, जैसे myself है, ourselves है, yourselves है, जब हमारा verb से पहले हमारा ये प्रोनाउन आए वो होता है एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन, और जब वर्ब के बाद आता है तब होता है रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. देन नंबर 8 इज इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन. इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस आर द वर्ड्स विच डू नॉट स्पेसिफाई पर्टिकुलर नाउन्स और इंडिकेट नाउन्स इन जनरल, or we can say a pronoun which refers to a person or thing only in a general way without particularizing is called indefinite pronoun. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone, that is not definite. So it is indefinite pronoun. Or someone took my pencil away. In this sentence, someone is also a indefinite pronoun. Okay student, today we discussed about pronoun. Hope you all understood.